Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Math Time with Dhanaprasad. So now we are discussing POLYCET mathematics. This is useful for AP POLYCET, TS POLYCET, APRJC, TSRJC and all other competitive and job recruitment exams. So wherever 10th class is basic qualification. So now we see in previous video we discussed about 11th chapter trigonometry, basic concepts, important points and shortcuts. Now in this today's class we are going to solve some important problems of trigonometry using basic concepts. So in POLYCET, in APRJC, in all other competitive exams from trigonometry, every time they are asking very simple questions. If you apply the basic concepts, basic formulas, you will get answer within seconds. Now we see AP and TS POLYCET 2019 and 18 previous question and answers now. So follow this. Question number 1, tan 85 degrees into tan 65 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 25 degrees into tan 5 degrees is equal to how much? So here we have to use very simple concept of what? Reciprocal. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to how much? 1. Means tan 45 into cot 45 or tan 60 into cot 60 is equal to 1. So we have to use the simple concept tan theta into its reciprocal what? Cot theta. Tan into cot equal to 1 for this problem. So here I have tan 85, here I have tan 5 degrees. This tan 5 degrees can be written as tan 90 minus 85, which is what? Cot 85. Let us see how. So first I will write this tan 85 as it is, tan 65 as it is, tan 45 as it is. We know that tan 45 equal to 1, we no need to change this. This tan 25 can be written as this in this way, tan 90 minus 65. Tan, what is 90 minus 65? 90 minus 65 is what? 25. Therefore 25 can be written as 90 minus 65. So to get 65. Similarly tan 5 can be written as tan 90 minus 85. This 5 degrees can be written as 90 minus 85, which is equal to how much? 5. Now we are applying that formula. So the relation between trigonometric functions and quadrants. What is the tan 90 minus 65? What is the tan 90 minus theta? I write here tan 90 minus theta. In previous video, in that video, basic concepts video, I discussed about all these basics. If you did not watch that video, please watch it and come to this present video. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan, for 90s and 270s, tan becomes what? Cot. At the same time, 90 minus theta belongs to first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are what? Positive. Therefore, I wrote what? Plus. So therefore tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Similarly tan 90 minus 65 can be written as cot 65. Similarly tan 90 minus 85 is what? Tan 90 minus 85, cot 85. Cot 85. Now one more formula is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So therefore tan 85 into cot 85 is equal to 1 into tan 65 into cot 65 equal to what? 1 into tan 45 is equal to how much? 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Option 1 is what? Right answer. This is very easy. When the moment you look at that question, you have to feel that all terms are in terms of what? Tans. Therefore we should get tan into cot to get 1. To get cot, what we have to write? 25 can be written as 90 minus 65. 5 can be written as 90 minus 85. 90 minus 85 is 5. After that we are applying this formula tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Very important formula this is. So tan 90 minus 65, cot 65. Tan 90 minus 85, cot 85. Now all are in what? Under multiplication. Tan theta into cot theta. This is tan 85 into cot 85. Here theta is equal to what? 85. Tan 85 into cot 85 equal to 1. Similarly tan 65 into cot 65 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So why I repeatedly explained this question means very important concept in POLYCET. Now question number 2. under root secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1 is equal to how much? Let us see the answer. Secant theta, tan theta, sin theta, cot theta. So we know that in trigonometric identities, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 means secant and tan theta is one pair. Therefore, for secant into secant, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Tan theta. Option 2 is right answer. So without doing any simplification or calculation, you can get the answer. Now I will simplify this. So this is a minus b, this is what? A plus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means under root secant square theta minus b is what? 1. 1 square is 1. What is under root? Secant square theta minus 1 is what? Tan square theta. Square root cancel, we get what? Tan theta. How we got secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta? We have the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. I want secant square theta minus 1. Bring that minus 1 to this side, tan square to that side. Therefore, secant square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square theta. So, therefore, under root secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1. This is like a plus b, this is like a minus b. A square minus b square. A square is secant square theta minus b square is 1 square is what? 1. What is secant square theta minus 1? According to this trigonometric identity, its value is equal to what? Tan square theta. Square root to cancel, what we got? Tan theta. Option 2, right answer. Now question number 3. If angle A is equal to 60. So we are in trigonometry, right? So A is what? Angle. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Then 3 sin cube A minus 4 sin A is equal to how much? Whenever we put 60, what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So we will get answers in terms of what? Root 3's. Let us see. Root 3 here is there, here is there, here is there. We have to simplify this. Now 3 into, I have to put A is equal to 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole power how much is there? 3 is there. Minus 4 into, again take 60 and substitute here. Sin 60 again root 3 by 2. Right? So now root 3 whole cube. What is root 3 whole cube? 3 root 3. This is already 3 into root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3 divided by 2 cube is what? 8 minus 4 root 3 by 2. I would like to take LCM 8. When I take LCM 8 goes 8 in one time, right? 3 into 3, 9 root 3 minus 2 goes 4 times in 8. So therefore 4 into 4, 16 here. 16 root 3, 9 minus 16, which is what? Minus 7. Minus 7 root 3 by 8. Option 1 is right answer. So these two problems are very easy. The question number C, let us see. A is equal to 60. You have to substitute 60 here. So I mean sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole cube. How to calculate root 3 whole cube? Root 3 whole cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. Therefore, its value is equal to 3 root 3. So, root 3 whole cube is what? 3 root 3. Similarly, at the denominator, 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. Now, we took LCM 8. 8 goes 8 1 times. So, 1 into 3, 9 root 3 minus 2 goes 4 times in 8. 4 into 4, 16. Answer minus 7 by root 3. Question number 4. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to P, and A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q, then which of the following conditions is true? And A cos theta plus B sin theta P, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to Q అయితే ఈ 4 options లో ఏ ఆప్షన్ కరెక్ట్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు మనం. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి we know that according to the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So therefore we should have what? Plus. So A square plus B square is equal to P square plus Q square will be right answer. So by reading the question, you can understand what they are given and what they are asked to find. Simple formula, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. Or in all the formulas you can see A square plus B square or P square plus Q square, etc. Means here I want P square and what? Q square. Take this as equation 1. Take this as equation 2, squaring and adding. We have to square both the sides. This equation should be squared both the sides. We have to what? Add. So when I square it, this square is equal to what? P square. Similarly, this square is equal to what? Q square. Now we have to add p square plus q square or p square minus q square. First let us try plus. When I add 1 plus 2, this implies that side I will get p square plus q square. P square plus q square. Yes, in RHS. What about LHS? This is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right. A square means what? A square cos square theta plus b square means what? B square sin square theta plus 2ab means 2 into this part into this part. Means 2ab sin theta cos theta. We are adding the equation 1 and 2. Therefore plus again this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means what? A square sin square theta plus b square. What is b here? B cos theta. B square cos square theta. This is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2 into, we have to multiply this. ab sin theta cos theta is equal to how much? P square plus q square. Plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta cancel. Now here I can take a square common. When I take a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Plus when I take b square common, when I take b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which is equal to what? P square plus q square. Therefore a square plus b square is equal to p square plus q square. Option 1 is the right answer. So without doing this also we can guess the answer. How? So here in the equations we have sin theta and cos theta. There also we have sin theta and cos theta. At the same time, whenever sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 means we should have what? Plus there. Therefore p square plus q square is our first priority. The next one is when we look at this and this side, when we square it, you have to feel that plus 2ab sin theta minus 2ab sin theta will be cancelled. So that I can take a square common, I will get into 1, b square common, I will get 1. We have to think in that way to get that answer. Now question number 5. If tan alpha equal to 1 by 2, tan beta equal to 1 by 3, then alpha plus beta is equal to how much? In trigonometric table, the values for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees there. For tan and tan alpha equal to 1 by 2, tan beta equal to 1 by 3 are not there. We have to calculate what? Alpha plus beta. How? Tan alpha plus beta. What is the tan a plus b formula? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Means here tan alpha plus beta means tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha is what? 1 by 2 plus tan beta means what? 1 by 3 by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So here 6 is 2 into 3, 6 is LCM. 3 comes here, 2 comes here means 5 by 6 minus, here LCM is 2 into 3, 6 is LCM, 6 comes here, 6 minus 1 into 1, 1 means what? 5 by what? 6, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 1. So here tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. So for what value of theta? Tan theta is equal to 1, tan 45. Therefore 1 can be written as tan 45. So alpha plus beta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Therefore option 3, 45 degrees is the right answer. When we simplify this, tan of alpha plus beta is equal to, we got 1. According to that trigonometric ratios and angular relation, 1 is what? Tan 45. So therefore both the sides we can cancel tans, or we will apply inverse trigonometric functions in intermediate. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? 45 degrees. Option 3, right answer. Now question number 6. If sin 18 degrees is equal to cos x, then x is equal to how much? So in previous video we discussed very few important formulas, but they are very powerful here. So here we are going to apply one easy simple formula. You will get right answer within seconds. So from the basic formulas we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Therefore sin 18 degrees, 18 can be written as 90 minus 72 is equal to what? Cos x. This 18 degrees can be written as 90 minus 72 degrees. Why? Because we know that sin 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. Therefore here sin 90 minus theta cos 72 is equal to what? Cos x. Both the sides we have cos function, they are equal. X is equal to what? 70 degrees. Option 3 is right answer. Question number 7. If cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta equal to 1, then theta is equal to how much? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But what we have to find is cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to 1. Then theta is equal to how much? So ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే మనకి a power 4 minus b power 4. It should be written as, we can write a power 4 minus b power 4 is a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Means a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here a square whole square a power 4 minus b square whole square b power 4. So treat it as a, this as b, it becomes a power 4 minus b power 4, which is equal to what? A square plus b square. Means what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta into a square minus b square. Means what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is. So here it is not 1 by 2. Therefore this side also 1 by 2. This is what? 1 by 2. So in the question it should be what? 1 by 2. Therefore it should be what? 1 by 2. Anyhow, cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to what? 1 by 2. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. For what value of theta cos is 1 by 2? This can be written as cos 60 degrees. So what is cos 60? Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Why I wrote cos 60 this side? Here this side we have cos function, therefore that side also we should have cos. Therefore cos 60 is equal to cos 2 theta. So both the sides we can take 2 theta is equal to 60. This implies theta is equal to 2 goes 30 times. Theta is equal to 30. Option 1 is right answer. So therefore whenever some cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta, cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta like that problems are given, immediately we should think which simple formula we have to apply here. We applied a square minus b square formula, and this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1, and one more simple value is what? For what value of theta cos is 1 by 2? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, therefore 2 theta is equal to 60, theta is equal to 30. Now question number 8. If A, B, C are angles in a triangle, then tan A plus B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan B plus C by 2 into tan A by 2 plus tan C plus A by 2 into tan B by 2 is equal to how much? So question చూసి మనం భయపడితే చిన్న ఫార్ములా కూడా మనకు గుర్తురాదు. కాబట్టి వాట్ ఎవర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ గివెన్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ దట్ which simple formula, which very simple formula should be used to get the required option. You have to think like that. So a simple formula enti అని చూస్తుంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ some tan into tan అని తెలుస్తుంది. Tan into tan వల్ల మనకి యూజ్ లేదు. Tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. So because cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Therefore in previous video I discussed very few formulas. They are very very important. Tan into cot equal to 1 means this is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. Option 4 is what? Right answer. So ABC are angles of a triangle. We know that sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So what is A plus B by 2? I want A plus B by 2. Therefore dividing with 2 on both the sides. 2. What is 180 by 2? 90 degrees. I want only A plus B by 2. Therefore A plus B by 2 is plus C by 2. That C by 2 goes, that then becomes what? Minus C by 2. So in place of A plus B by 2 I can write what? 90 minus C by 2 here. Tan 90 minus theta. What is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta means what? Cot C by 2. Cot C by 2 into tan C by 2 is equal to how much? 1. Similarly this B plus C by 2 can be written as what? B plus C by 2 can be written as what? 90 minus A by 2. So tan B plus C by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus A by 2. What is tan 90 minus theta? For 90s and 270s tan becomes what? Cot. Therefore tan 90 minus A by 2 is what here? Cot A by 2. Tan into cot, cot into tan, 1. Similarly tan into cot is what? 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 is what? 3. Option 4 is what? Right answer. Question number 9. A solution of 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 options are given. We have to see. We can check each angle or we can go for solving quadratic equation. We already discussed how to solve quadratic equations in quadratic chapter. So here we have to go for factorization here. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is what? 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Therefore, this can be written as 2 cos square x minus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 minus 1, total minus 3. Minus 2 cos x minus cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here I can take 2 cos x common. Here cos x already came out, 2 is also came out. What left is cos x minus 1. Minus what I have common, what is there here, factor cos x minus 1. Here also I want what? Cos x minus 1. Therefore what I have to take common? Minus 1 is common, is equal to 0. Cos x minus 1 is common. Now I have 2 cos x minus 1. 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to what? 0. So therefore cos x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 1. Similarly 2 cos x is equal to 1, cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So in that tabular values, for what value of theta, cos theta is 1, cos 0 is what? 1, means x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. Similarly for what value of x, cos x is 1 by 2, cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, means x is equal to what? 60. So here option 2, 60 is right answer. X equal to 0 is not given in the options. Therefore the given option is x is equal to 60. So therefore whenever like this quadratic equation in terms of sine, cos or tan, whatever it may be given, you have to compare with what? Quadratic equation. You can go for factorization. You can easily go for factorization. You can easily find factors. By using that tabular values, we can get the required angle. Here x is required angle. Sometimes here theta will be given. You have to find what? Theta value. Question number 10. The value of 1 plus cos x into 1 plus cot square x into 1 minus cos x is equal to how much? Immediately you have to think that which basic formula, which simple formula is helpful as to find the answer very quickly. So right here 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x means a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square means 1 square minus cos square means 1 square minus cos square x into what is remaining there? 1 plus cot square x. So first step is this is a plus b into this is what? A minus b. A square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus cos square is this. Next 1 plus cot square x. Again the basic formulas, which formula is helpful as here? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of 1 minus cos square theta I am writing sin square theta. Similarly 1 plus cot square theta is equal to how much? We know that cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. We know that from basic formulas cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. When this goes that side it becomes that 1 plus cot square x. So instead of 1 plus cot square x what I can write? Cosecant square x. So here cosecant square x. We know that sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant and cosecant is the reciprocal of what? Sin. So therefore sin into cosecant is what? 1. Our answer is option 2. 1 is what? Right answer. So here sin square x into cosecant square x. Cosecant square can be written as what? 1 by sin square x. This cancel. You will get what? 1. So therefore whenever an equation is given you have to choose the right formula from the basics. So question number 11, root 1 plus sin theta by root 1 minus sin theta plus root 1 minus sin theta by root 1 plus sin theta. What is the value of this? So here whatever the equation is given, first we have to simplify that taking LCM, multiplying, then we have to apply basic formulas. How? So here root 1 plus, this can be written as what? Root 1 plus sin theta by root 1 minus sin theta. This also we can write it as what? Root 1 minus sin theta by root 1 plus sin theta. Now what is LCM? Root 1 minus sin theta into root 1 plus sin theta. So here I can write root 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is LCM. Root 1 minus sin theta, root 1 minus sin theta cancel. Therefore root 1 plus sin theta is there. Root 1 plus sin theta into root 1 plus sin theta, which is what? 1 plus sin theta. Similarly what I will get here? 1 minus sin theta. Plus sign minus sign cancel. So here in root we have 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is what? 1 minus sin square theta. So here 1 plus 1, 2 by under root 1 minus sin square theta. 2 by under root 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta. Square root 2 cancel. Therefore, what we get? Cos theta is equal to 2 into what is 1 by cos theta? Secant theta. Secant theta is what? 1 by cos theta. Therefore, 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 2 secant theta is the right answer. Therefore, option 1 is right answer. Question number 12. The value of tan 24 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 48 degrees into tan 66 degrees is equal to how much? So you have to feel that every question is easy if you get the right simple formula if you use immediately. So what is the beautiful and simple formula now useful for us to calculate its value? Think. So whenever you have tan theta, immediately you should have what? Cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. Therefore here tan theta into cot theta. So therefore here this is tan 24. This is what? Tan 66. So tan 24 can be written as what? Tan 90 minus 66. 24 can be written as 90 minus 66. What is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta. For 90s, every function changes. Therefore, tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Means cot 66 degrees. So here it is replaced by what? Cot 66. Cot into tan is equal to what? 1 into. Similarly, tan 42 into tan 48. Tan 42 can be written as 90 minus 48. Tan 90 minus 48, which is what? Cot 48. Cot 48 into tan 48, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Option 4 is what? Right answer. Question number 13. The value of sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. Here you have to remember the simple formula sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B 25 plus 65, which is what? 90. Sin 90 is equal to what? 1. Option 3. 1 is what? Right answer. So here whatever the question, whatever the equation is given, we are using simple formula. So if you are following this lecture very well, మీకు ఈ లెక్చర్ అర్థమైతే, ఈ టీచింగ్ స్టైల్ మీకు బాగా నచ్చితే వెంటనే మన ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. Question number 14. Sin theta is equal to 7 by 25. Then cosecant theta minus cot theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to how much? So here sin theta value is given. We have to write cosecant theta and what? Cot theta values. We can solve this problem in 3-4 methods. I will use the easiest method. Sin theta is always opposite side by hypotenuse. What about adjacent side? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus what? Side square. To get 25, here 7 square plus what we should write here? 24. So therefore 25 square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. Total 625. Right? So therefore from this, what is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta means what? Opposite to sin theta, means reverse. Here I should write what? 25 by 7 minus cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent side by opposite side, 24 by 7. Right. At denominator what we have? Plus. Therefore 25 by 7 plus 24 by 7. 7 LCM, 25 minus 24, 1 by 25 plus 24, 49. These 7 LCMs and what? Cancel. 1 by 49. Nothing but option 4 is the right answer. So therefore, whenever some sin theta, cos theta, tan theta value is given, immediately write a triangle and represent. It is sin, therefore I represented opposite side by hypotenuse. Immediately we should write what? Adjacent side value. Then according to the requirement, we have to calculate the values. Here cosecant theta means reciprocal of sin theta, means reverse, means 25 by 7. What is cot theta? Adjacent side by what? Opposite side, 24 by 7. In numerator we have minus, at denominator we have what? Plus. Therefore same values but plus. When I take LCM here 7, here 7, LCMs cancel. Now 25 minus 24, 1 by what? 49 is right answer. Now question number 15. If cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to P, then cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to how much? Here it is minus, here it is what? Plus. Now what is the relation between cosecant theta minus cosecant theta and cot theta? Simple formula from basic concepts. Therefore we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. It looks like a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b means cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, I wrote as a plus b into a minus b. What I have, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to p. In this place, what I have to write? P here. Here it remains. Cosecant theta plus cot theta into p is equal to 1. What I want? Cosecant theta plus cot theta. This p goes that side and divides 1 by p. Option 3, right answer. So therefore, these problems are very easy if you understand all these basics. Question number 16. If cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2 and sin a minus b is equal to 1 by root 2, where 0 is less than, b is less than, a is less than 90, then angle a is equal to how much? Angle b is equal to how much? So here we have to use the simple formula. We have to finish the answer within 1 minute. So here cos a plus b is equal to how much? According to the table given, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. For what value of cos? The value is 1 by 2. Cos theta 1 by 2 avvali ante theta enta manaki? 60 is what? 1 by 2. We know that cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So to get 1 by 2, a plus b should be equal to what? 60. A plus b is equal to 60. So add options one by one. See where we are getting 60. Here 60 plus 40. We are getting more than 60. I want 60. To get 60, I have to add what? 52.5 plus 7.5. Total is equal to how much? 60. Remaining answers 30 plus 45. It becomes what? 75. 60 plus 45. It becomes what? 75. I want a plus b. Sum of the angles is what? 60. So by using that simple technique, we said that option 2 is what? Right answer. Similarly, sin a minus b is equal to 1 by root 2. What is the angle of sin to get 1 by root 2? Sin 45. Sin 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Means a minus b is equal to what? 45. A minus b is equal to what? 45 degrees. See here, 60 minus 45. We are getting what? 25. 30 minus 45 minus 15. 60 minus 15. Here also you are getting what? 45. So but what about a plus b? A plus b is what? 60. So for a minus b you are getting what? 45. But what about a plus b? It becomes what? 75. That you have to check. So in 95% of the cases, a plus b is enough to check our answer, or else we will use the second one also. Now question number 17. If 3 tan a is equal to 4, then sin a is equal to how much? When 3 tan a is equal to 4, when 3 comes this side and what? Divides. So here tan a is equal to what? 4 by 3. Immediately write a triangle and write opposite side by adjacent side, means 4 by 3. What about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square is equal to what? Adjacent side square plus this square. 4 square plus 3 square means 25. Root 25 is what? 5. So therefore sin is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse, means what? 4 by 5. Option 3 is what? Right answer. So here in POLYCET they are giving simple problems. We have to use simple formulas to get the solution immediately. Question number 18. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. This can be compared with what? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. This is what? Tan 2a. Or tan a plus b is equal to what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So from that we got tan 2a. Tan 2a is what? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So here 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 means a is equal to how much? 30 degrees. A is 30. Here a is 30. 30 into 2, 60. Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to how much? So tan 60 is equal to what? Root 3. Or else you can remember the sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, root 3. Therefore, simple question, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 is what? Root 3. Now, question number 19, you can also think this question, tan 48 into tan 42. Whenever tan into is there, we have to get tan into cot, because the reciprocal of cot theta is what? Tan theta, or tan theta's reciprocal is what? Cot theta. So here tan 48 into tan 42, immediately you can write what? Answer 1, means option 2. 1 is what? Right answer. How? So this tan 48, you can keep it like here. Tan 42. 42 is what? 90 minus 48. So from this algebra, 42 is what? 90 minus 48. What is tan 90 minus theta? for 90s and 270s, trigonometric functions are changing. Sin into cos, cos into sin, tan into cot, cot into tan, like that. Therefore, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Means what? Cot 48. Here this is what? Tan 48. Tan into cot is what? 1. Because the tan theta into cot theta is 1. Therefore, tan 48 into cot 48 is 1. Option 2 is what? Right answer. Question number 20. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to how much? So here it is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 minus cos square is equal to what? Sin square. Option 1 is right answer. Very simple question. This is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Similarly, this a square minus what? B square. Similarly, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 square minus what? Cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Option 1 is the right answer. 21. Tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Then tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to how much? Here tan theta minus cot theta value is given. I want tan square theta plus cot square theta. Take this squaring on both the sides. A minus b whole square. Squaring on both the sides. Now it is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means tan square theta plus b square cot square theta minus 2ab means 2 tan cot. 2 tan theta into cot theta is equal to how much? 1 is given. What is tan theta into cot theta? Tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2 goes that end, that side becomes what? Plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 3. Option 4, right answer. So therefore, squaring on both the sides, we can get tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. Tan into cot is 1. Minus 2 goes that side and becomes plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Option 4 is what? Right answer. Similarly, question number 22. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b secant theta. Then which of the following is true? What is the relation between cos theta and secant theta? Secant theta into cos theta is equal to what? 1. Because secant theta is the reciprocal of what? Cos theta. Therefore, to get 1, I have to multiply cos into what? Secant. So therefore, both the sides we are multiplying. When I multiply left hand sides, I get x into y, xy. This is what? Product of left hand side. Now right side, a cos theta into b secant theta. A cos theta into b secant theta. We know that secant theta into cos theta is what? 1. Secant theta is what? 1 by cos theta cancel, we get 1. Therefore, now a into b, ab. xy is equal to ab is what? Answer. See here, we have this option xy is equal to a square b square. Wrong answer. X square y square is equal to ab. This is also wrong. X square y square is equal to a square b square. Means squaring on both the sides. When I square this, I will get x square y square is equal to a square b square. Option 2, x square y square is equal to a square b square is right answer. So up to now we solved previous question and answers of AP and TS POLYCET 2019 and 18 about nearly 22 questions. Means every year they are giving 5 to 6 questions in AP POLYCET, similarly in TS POLYCET. Therefore, so many students have been asking for the last 1 week about trigonometry తొందరగా చెప్పండి సార్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు. నాకు మరి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో ట్రైగనామెట్రిక్ బేసిక్స్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్, షార్ట్ కట్స్ రిపీటెడ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఆ వీడియోని మరలా ఇంకొకసారి చూడండి. మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ బేసిక్స్ లేదా సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్స్ మీద మీకు కమాండ్ వచ్చిందో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీరు చిటికలో ఈజీగా ఎగ్జామ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. టైం కూడా మీకు బాగా సేవ్ అవుతుంది. సో మరి ఈ వీడియోలో 22 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసాము. 1 by 1 క్లియర్గా చూడండి. అవసరమైతే ఇంకొకసారి వీడియో ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు చూడండి. సో మరి వీడియో చూడకముందు చూసిన తర్వాత మీలో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అనేది మరి ఏ రేంజ్లో పెరిగింది, ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది అనేది ఒకసారి మీరు చూసి వెంటనే మనకి కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. అదేవిధంగా ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే సార్ అంటే కేరింగ్, ఫ్రెండ్ అంటే షేరింగ్. ఒక సార్గా, ఒక ఫ్యాకల్టీగా నేను మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. మీ మీద కేర్ తీసుకుంటూ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్గా మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి మీరు ఈ వీడియోస్ని షేర్ చేయండి. ఈ స్కూల్ మేట్స్, క్లాస్మేట్స్, బెంచ్ మేట్స్ రేపు పాలిటెక్నిక్ డిప్లొమా కోర్సులో క్లాస్మేట్స్ అవుతారు, కాలేజ్ మేట్స్ అవుతారు. సో తప్పకుండా షేర్ చేయండి. అందరూ కూడా హ్యాపీగా, ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ముందుకెళ్ళండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగనోమెట్రీని మనం చూస్తాం. అప్పటి వరకు జై హింద్.